In the gritty town of New Britain, Connecticut, a young Tom Thibodeau honed his passion for basketball. From the courts of Salem State to the bright lights of the NBA, his journey was marked by an insatiable drive and an unwavering commitment to excellence. His early coaching days at Harvard and assistant roles with teams like the Knicks and Celtics laid the foundation for a career defined by defensive prowess and meticulous preparation. Thibodeau's ascent was not just about climbing the ranks, it was about redefining them. In 2010, Thibodeau took the helm of the Chicago Bulls, a team yearning for revival. Under his leadership, the Bulls clinched a 62-win season, their best since the Jordan era, and he was rightfully named NBA Coach of the Year. His tenure saw the Bulls become a defensive juggernaut with players like Derrick Rose flourishing under his guidance. Despite playoff heartbreaks, Thibodeau's impact was undeniable. Restoring pride to a storied franchise, the Minnesota Timberwolves, mired in a 13-year playoff drought, turned to Thibodeau in 2016. His dual role as head coach and president of basketball operations was ambitious. By 2018, the Wolves returned to the playoffs, a testament to his influence. However, internal discord, notably the Jimmy Butler saga, overshadowed on-court successes. In 2019, Thibodeau's tenure ended abruptly, a reminder of the delicate balance between leadership and harmony. The New York Knicks, a franchise in perpetual rebuild, sought Thibodeau's expertise in 2020. His arrival signaled a cultural shift, emphasizing defense and accountability. The Knicks clinched their first playoff berth in 8 years. Thibodeau's methods, though intense, instilled discipline and purpose. The Madison Square Garden buzzed with renewed energy, and fans dared to dream again. With strategic acquisitions like Jalen Brunson and the development of role players such as Dante DiVincenzo, the Knicks evolved into genuine contenders. Thibodeau's emphasis on a defensive-minded, team-first approach paid dividends. The 2024-25 season saw the Knicks achieve back-to-back 50-win seasons, a feat not accomplished in decades. The once laughingstock of the league was now a formidable force. The 2025 playoffs were a testament to Thibodeau's vision. The Knicks dispatched the defending champion Boston Celtics and the Detroit Pistons, reaching the Eastern Conference Finals for the first time in 25 years. Though they fell to the Indiana Pacers in 6 games, the journey reignited a city's passion and belief. Just days after the playoff exit, the Knicks made a startling announcement. Thibodeau was relieved of his duties. Despite a commendable 226,174 record and revitalizing the franchise, concerns about his intense coaching style and heavy reliance on starters led to his dismissal. The decision sent shockwaves through the NBA community. Thibodeau's coaching journey is a tapestry of highs and lows, triumphs and tribulations. His meticulous approach, defensive acumen, and unwavering dedication have left indelible marks on every team he's led. While his methods have faced scrutiny, the results speak volumes. He transformed struggling franchises into playoff contenders, instilled discipline, and reignited fan bases. Beyond the sidelines, Thibodeau is known for his humility and relentless work ethic. Players and peers alike respect his commitment to the game. His involvement with the USA men's national team, contributing to gold medal victories, showcases his versatility and dedication. At 67, Thibodeau's passion for basketball remains undiminished. Tom Thibodeau's story is more than just wins and losses. It's about resilience, passion, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. For fans aged 50 and above, his journey resonates deeply, echoing themes of perseverance and dedication. As we reflect on his legacy, we're reminded of the profound impact one individual can have on a team, a city, and a sport. Let Thibodeau's story inspire us to chase our passions with unwavering determination